We're gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments and to give recognition and worth to the beauty of love. This union is not entered into lightly, but is a simple reflection of their love and commitment to each other.
When you're around, everything is a song that we sing. A busy world filled with sounds, birds sing along, a symphony.
When I think about the relationship, the one moment I think about is the first Christmas Angelina spent with Brian's family. She was so stressed out about Christmas. She was like, Brian told me, they're doing it so big and they have so many gifts and it's a 3-hour occasion. So she's running around trying to find gifts. And I'm just like, can you relax? It's just a university boyfriend. She comes back and bags of clothes, cookbooks, baking items, everything. So she's showing us and she's a little down. And I'm like, what's wrong? You got the greatest haul ever. And she's like, I want them to like me so much and I feel like I didn't do enough and I should have done more. And I was like, okay, she's in this. She's in this. She wants them to really like her, and I think this is for real.
That's the case, yeah. Moon. Battery. Yeah, you can give the hug.
In the morning light, my heart takes flight. For the first thing that I think about is you. Oh, the first thing that I think of is you.
I knew that Ange was the right one for him because he still makes Brian a little bit nervous. And it's clear to see that spark's not gone away. It's been 11 years as such, so keep that one going. Brian's generally a self-assured, confident individual, but there's something about her that keeps him striving to be the best person that he can be, best version of himself, and striving towards both of their communal goals.
know you've been waiting over 10 long years.
And I have not gotten thinner or younger through this time.
We couldn't be more proud of you each and every day, as you know. With any marriage, you have your ups, you have your downs. There will be bumps in the road. But Mom and Dad just want you to know that wherever your journey in life takes you, we pray for your safety.
You were a couple that were meant to be together. Some families like wine and cheese, some gin and tonic. The Bowman family like peas and spaghetti.
Before he officially asked me out, he told me he loved me several times while he was drunk. And when I told him that it was just the booze talking, he would say, "A drunk man's words are a sober man's thoughts."
Angelina, 10 years, 7 months, and 24 days ago, you agreed to go out and see a horrible movie with a handsome, tall, and outgoing individual. Thank God you didn't like him and you went out with me instead.
Brian, you are my best friend and my true love.
Ange, as your husband, I promise to always love and support you, including finishing your leftover meals.
It's funny what you said, because I'm promising to almost always share my entrees with you. Unless it's, really good. Going back to where it all began, Brian and I both volunteered with Laurier's Walk Safe program, Foot Patrol. The running joke was that Foot is not a dating service, but it worked pretty well for us. My life is not complete without you. Jokes aren't as funny, food doesn't taste as good, home is lonely. It's difficult to think back to a time when you weren't in my life. In the wise words of Dory, I look at you and I'm home.
We've done some traveling. We both agree we're looking forward to doing some more together. But all big plans aside, at the end of the day, I'm looking forward to the little things. Coming home to you, going for dinners at the grill, or heading to Leaf games, even though I know you couldn't give a rat's ass what the score of the game was most of the time.
I still like going.
Yeah, you still.
Forward to all the celebrated anniversaries, birthdays, friends parties, weekend getaways, even winter races, trips to the cottage, larger, more lightning trips. Maybe you'll convince me to go to Thailand one day. Overcoming challenges together, navigating parenthood, inside jokes, and so much good food. I'd like to end with something a little Disney because it wouldn't be me if I didn't. There's a ride at Magic Kingdom called the Carousel of Progress. The song in it really sticks with me. It says there's a great big beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day. And I see a great big beautiful life shining at the end of today. And I'm so grateful I get to spend it with you.
having you by my side has always been and will always be the thing that I look forward to the most. And Ange, I just want to say I love you. I look forward to our adventures that we have ahead of us. Thank you for everything.